Hi, I'm Barbara, and I'm here with Sophie. She's my 13-year-old Goldendoodle, and honestly, she's been my sidekick through so many seasons of life. Moves, routine changes, good days, hard days. Sophie's always been right there, tail wagging like everything's going to be okay, Mom. But the last year or so, I started noticing the little things. Taking a little longer to get up, hesitating before stairs, not wanting to move as much on walks, and I tried a bunch of hip and joint chews, but she would literally take them in her mouth and just drop them out of her mouth like, "Nice try, Mom." So I gave these Farrah Pets hip and joint soft chews a shot, and the first win was simple. She actually eats them. No hiding it in the food, no bargaining, or putting peanut butter on it and saying, "Come on, you can do this." And after a couple of weeks of consistent use, I noticed she just seemed more comfortable, getting up easier, moving smoother, and more like herself again. I love her so much, and at this stage, taking care of her isn't a chore, it's a privilege. If your dog is getting older and needs extra joint support, these have been a really great addition for us.